Welcome to Ngobotonte Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobotonte Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Eloy Limpopo 5. They won from penalty shootout. My brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila Khotman.
Sharp by Kamala Kuya.
Ngusithembisa ngiphumela eJabulani.
Aitada. Uthathe kanjani ke? Wona kanjani ke?
Mina Khotman ngokwamayi mina ngihappy ngama-Giants. Ama-Giants adlalile. Yeah, from 0 to 3 akusinto engayenza nanoma ubani leyo nto, so ngihappy ngokuthi ama-Giants akhonile ukuthi azadlale kube nzima mara adlale until sesifike kuma-penalty. All of a sudden ngenhla ngeparty ke sadliwa kuma-penalty, but then mina ngihappy ngama-Giants de badlale ngakhona.
Yeah, ubani okuimpress kakhulu namhlanje?
Ungimpress kakhulu ngathi uNduli. Yeah, uNduli udlalile Khotman la maye. Uye umuntu bengimuzwa bekamaka, abotito bebaluza amabhola kakhulu. Yabo, and bebangafuna nokushaya.
Exactly.
Sithola ama-opportunity ama long range shots besingenawo. So yeah, into beyispicisile no update slam naye. First half decide ukuthini afake amanye ama-player kunokuthi afake uMabazi.
Oh yeah, ngibona keep umbule. Yeah,
sidinga ama-goal.
At least
sidinga ama-goal. Yeah, strike esiwana sine-strike uzothatha uTito uzombeka up front like akusinto normal.
And nakhona uTito I saw him because kade ekhawatheka because of you no play ufuna ukushoota ngo right. I think maybe 4 or 5 goals bekumela wakho.
Yeah, and because lo nombule akangichazanga like the way ajwayele ukudlala ngakhona. That's why uPtiselama decide ukukhipha second half. But then yena udlalile uBoy. So mina into engayisho singamapakanias ben happy. Sisabhekane ne-league, sisasene black label, sifocuseni mara mina into engathanda ukuthi siwine kakhulu i-league. Yeah, i-league engihlanya ngayo.
Do you think in a chance now?
Yeah, chances sasekhona nje masingawina lama game first 3 games azayo we-league.
Exactly.
Yeah, masingawina wona hayi. So
Ngidlala Sundowns first game yenu e-league.
Yeah, sidlala ne-Sundowns.
All the best.
Sure.
Thank you.